Connect VS373's Wi-Fi. Enter to the web page. Set your password and security questions. Then, log into the web GUI. Click General Settings. Set X and Y value according to the room actual size. If there is ceiling fan or any high objects above the detection space, exclude them by adjusting the Z max. Input the height of device installation position. The ability of radar to detect and identify target. When a person's fall time reaches this value, the device starts to flash red slowly. Recommend 30 to 60 seconds. Confirmed as the time of the fall, the device begins to flash red quickly and accompanied by a buzz for the duration of the value. An alarm message will be reported. The LED will still blink red quickly, and the buzzer will sound for a duration that depends on this value. The rest of the test can be turned off, and only the fall function can be tested. Click Apply. Go to Information page. See the target point. Falls can be detected after walking for 20 seconds. Someone falls. The device detects and starts flashing red light slowly. Duration 50 seconds. Fall confirmation time. Then confirm the fall. Fast flashing red light and buzzer. Duration 40 seconds. Fall delay reporting time. Then report the alarm. Continue to flash red light plus buzzer. Duration 30 seconds. Fall alarm duration. You can see a fall alert appears on the page that needs to be addressed. For occupancy detection, it is recommended to draw the door subregion to determine the target's presence through entry and exit events. Select the region type as Door and name the region. Set the size by filling in the X and Y axis values. Note, each side of the door must exceed 500 millimeters. Move the subregion to the position where the door actually is. Note, one edge of the subregion must be adjacent to the edge of the detection space. Fall and occupancy detection can be set for each subregion. To test if occupancy is recognized in areas other than the door subregion, you can disable occupancy detection in the door subregion settings and Apply. Switch to General Settings to enable occupancy detection. This time threshold helps determine if an occupancy event occurred. Set 1 minute and apply it for testing. Navigate to the Information module, where you will see the target appear on the axes, entering the room from the door subregion and moving within the confines of the room. When the target remains over the threshold time, 1 minute, an occupancy alarm event will be reported. The alarm will be resolved when the target leaves the detection space or by manually clicking Handle. Now, navigate to Subregions, again to enable occupancy detection for specific subregions. Please ensure that the occupancy detection settings in the area are enabled and that the appropriate threshold time is set. Using Door Region for testing, when the target appears in the subregion, the occupancy status will present as occupied. If you stay over the threshold time, 1 minute, an occupancy alarm event will be reported. The alarm will be resolved when the target leaves the detection space or by manually clicking Handle. For occupancy detection, keep the door region. Based on entry and exit events, confirm if the target is motionless or has left the room. Move to General Settings to enable Motionless Detection. Set 1 minute time threshold and apply it for testing. Switch to Information page. If the target keeps moving in the area or subregion, then the target statuses will display as normal. When the target's dwell time reaches the time threshold, the status will change to motionless. The advanced setting defines the duration required to confirm the appearance and disappearance of the target. Other detections will be executed only after the target is confirmed, helping to improve detection accuracy in various scenarios. To enable in-bed detection, you need to add the bed subregion first. Select the region type as bed and name the region. Set the size and position by filling in the X and Y axis values. Enable in-bed detection and adjust the settings to specify the bed height, detection period, and trigger threshold. Navigate to the Information page. We can see that the target moves to the bed region and stays, and the detection status is normal, which means the target is in the bed. When the target leaves the bed, the detection status changes from normal to out of bed. If out of bed duration reaches the threshold time, 1 minute as demo, an out of bed alarm event will be reported. The alarm will be resolved when you return to bed or manually click handle. Communication includes settings for Report, LoRaWAN, Milesight D2D, and Wi-Fi. Report settings determine how often and what you want to report to the platform. Configure LoRaWAN settings to enable the device to join the network and report data successfully. Milesight D2D enables direct control between the VS373 and other Milesight devices, facilitating quick, automatic, and intelligent responses. PS. Please follow the user guide to set up D2D. WLAN settings only support AP mode, particularly for device configuration. The Wi-Fi password can be customized based on actual needs. Hide Wi-Fi means the VS373's Wi-Fi network cannot be directly searched or connected to. It requires manually entering the Wi-Fi SSID to connect. Now, let's move to system settings. Device info. Synchronize time. Change login password. Set security question. Historical data can be exported when data storage is enabled. You can export historical data for 14 days. Reset and reboot. Upgrade. Backup and restore. When the sensitivity in the fall detection does not meet your needs, you can import a customized sensitivity file provided by Milesight Technical Support. Download log files for troubleshooting. Hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you for watching.